Okay. Good evening and a warm welcome to all the lovely, beautiful ladies and handsome gentlemen. Today is Thursday and the date is 12th of August 2021. So I would like to take this opportunity to grace this occasion, to grace this evening for we will have our Independence Day celebration today. And we have gathered for the celebration today. So with the food fest, we are having a food fest after this. So we will start with the welcome ceremony. We'll start with the lighting of the lamp, then the welcome ceremony, and then hosting of the flag, and then we will start with the food fest. Okay, so let us begin.
So want to say Janagana Mana?
Yeah, we will. One. We'll start with the lighting of the lamp first. We are done with taking almighty blessings. Now we will start with a welcome song.
Sir, can you let Swaranjali in? Actually, she was doing something else.
Actually, the meeting is on auto admit. I have not logged the meeting. She can enter.
Okay.
A very hearty welcome to everyone. I would like to request everyone to rise for the national anthem. Everyone can rise for the national anthem. Okay. So now here we begin for the national. Now we will begin with our food fest. So all are ready? Yes. All are ready? Yes or no? What?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. How was the welcome song? How was the welcome song? I
Understood a
have done that.
little bit.
Yes, sir. It was like
Understood
good.
a little bit. Not full,
Okay.
but I understood a little bit.
Okay. Okay. And the national flag, the editing of the national flag and everything. How was that? I have done all
It
those
was
editings and
awesome.
I saw the owl doing like moving his
yeah.
neck. Sir, it
Those
was
are all
nice.
clips, small clips taken. Okay, now we will start. So let me start with the chit system first. So let me take up the first chit. So the first chit is K. Letter K. Who is with letter K? Only one
Show
girl is with
me.
letter K. So you are spotlight.
Yes. So
Yeah.
actually I've joined with my other device, so can you spotlight that one?
Okay, fine. I will spotlight that one. Which one? So on the video of that device. Yeah. You are been spotlighted.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kathy Gaikwad and today I would like to present my tricolor dish to everyone present here. So I have made a tricolor dosa and I would love highlight its nutritional value. Dosa is a South Indian dish and dosa is made from rice and urad dal which is easy on your digestive system. It is the best source of carbohydrates. As a result, uh, your body is supplied with the necessary energy that you need to stay energetic throughout the day. It is also a good source of protein and low on fat. Thank you.
Very wonderful, Kathy. बहुत सुंदर.
Thank you, sir.
अप्रतिम झाला है. Very beautiful, very nicely done. And how you made that? वो फिर एक pan में वो हो गया तुम्हारा? When you have set
हाँ
up in a
sir.
pan, because that is very challenging. Setting up in a pan is very challenging. Tricolor should not spill out, and the pan is also very hot. So it's not so
Yes,
easy.
sir.
Wonderful presentation and
Thank
wonderful
you,
dish.
sir.
भेज दो तुम इधर भांडुप में.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Very nice. Now the next chit I'm taking out. Name is S. S with the S name. Who is with the S name?
So you.
I. Who
Sir,
else?
you only. Sir, you show
Very-
something.
Okay. S is 1 minute. S is Sujay.
So
Sujay.
there are many.
Yeah, there are many. In this chat, it is Sujay. So Sujay,
Sir,
spotlight your video.
my mother made a chutney, but it's over.
Huh, but on your video, so let us show. Let us see. But it is over. What is this?
Sir, now I
Show.
can make one.
Now you're
Carrot.
making.
No. Carrot, cucumber, for blue thing. Any blue vegetable.
Okay. So what you have made? Show.
Nothing. I
What is this?
Don't. I just
Okay.
carrot.
Okay, fine. I will take up with the next, which is Vedant. Vedant, come up. Next, V.
Okay, sir.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah. Hello, Vedant's mom. How are you?
Hello, fine.
Yeah, you can start, Vedant.
This is idli and this is made out of dosa. So this is white color idli which people normally eat and it's made in South India. And this is the green color idli which I made using palak. And this one is made out of carrot. And this is the tricolor dosa which I made on a pan, which my mom helped me to make it. So it's same palak, dosa batter, and this is a carrot one.
You're done?
Yeah.
Wow, wonderful. Very nice. It's so nutritious. Carrot, palak, everything is so nutritious. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Presentation is also very nicely done, and the dish is also super awesome. Next, I will take up with us. Now I will go with serial wise because I should not skip anyone. Divyata, spotlighting you.
Yes, sir.
You can begin.
I am Devata Charasya, and today I have made a tricolor fruit trifle. So this is my tricolor fruit trifle.
Tricolor what? What's this?
Tricolor fruit trifle.
Okay, got it.
So the ingredients I have used for this are kiwi, banana, cashew, pistachio, orange, and some whipped cream. The nutrients which we get from eating this dish is from banana we'll get fiber, calcium, and potassium. From kiwi we'll get vitamin C, vitamin K, and E. They also have a lot of antioxidants and are good source of fiber. From orange we'll get vitamin C, thiamine, and folate. Thank you. I wish you a happy Independence Day.
Wonderful. Very nice. Bhej do idhar. Divyata, it's so yummy. Wonderful. You have done. Presentation was also very nice, and you have explained the nutritional values. Very good. Wonderful. Next, everyone should clap at least. People, after everyone is done, you should at least clap for everyone. Right? Okay. Wonderful. Now we will start with let me take up Devashri. Spotlight Devashri. You have spotlighted unmute.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Begin.
sir. So, sir, I made this tricolor dish. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see. I'm seeing. I'm observing.
Yes, sir. So, good evening, sir, and my dear friends. Today, I am presenting you the homemade tricolor dish. For orange, I used mango pulp. Mango contains high level vitamin of C, A, and K. For white, I use bananas. Bananas contain fibers such as vitamins C. These support heart health. For green, I use capsicum. Capsicum is also called as red green bell pepper. Capsicum contains vitamin C. For stick, I have used ginger. Ginger is good for digestion and also is good for heart disease and high blood pressure. Thank you.
Wow, wonderful. Very nice. Explanation was also very nice, and you have decorated also very beautifully. Very good.
Sir, my mother helped me.
Mother helped. Okay, wonderful. Thank you to her also. Very wonderful. People should clap.
Yes, sir.
She's done. Okay, one. Okay, so now the next one, Ritesh, on your video.
Yes, sir. My video is on.
Just 1 minute. Let me spotlight. One minute. So earlier participant, claps for them. Okay, so now the next is Ritesh. I need to spotlight him. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, you can start.
First, I made it very plain. First, I
What
made
is this?
plain dosa. Sir, it's a dosa.
Acha,
Try.
okay.
First, I
Okay.
made a plain dosa. Then I made chili chutney, and I applied it on the top.
and I took some coriander leaves and I decorated like Ashoka Chakra, and I took coriander chutney and I grind it and I applied it on the bottom, and and dosa is very nutritious food in South India, which it is very famous. We are from South India, that's why I like to make tricolor dosa.
Wow, very wonderful. You have done it very beautiful, very nice, very good. Keep it up. Presentation was also very nice, and the dosa was also very beautiful. The green thing which you have decorated, the Ashok Chakra and all, it's very nice to learn also for me. Very good. We will take up, we will clap for him. Can you all hear the clapping sounds which I'm playing for the audio?
No, sir.
No? No?
sir. No, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, fine. Now we will begin. We will start with Laranya. Spotlighted.
Good morning, good evening, sir. Actually, I didn't make anything very special. I just made bread pizza in the shape of the Indian flag. Can you see it, sir?
Okay. Yeah, we can see. We can see.
Morning, ma'am. Morning, sir.
Yes, sir. So for the base, I used bread instead of the pizza dough that we get at stores. So the bread is actually a carbohydrate which gives you energy. So it won't make you feel really heavy. So it's a light food, and the cheese is actually milk, so it is protein. So the overall dish, it also has vegetables like capsicum and carrot, which are rich in vitamins. And the overall protein would be like 12.7 grams. So I didn't have anything blue for the chakra, so I just used a slice of chili instead, and I put basil over there to give it like a pizza feel. So that's all. Thank you.
Very wonderful, Laranya. Very nice. The idea behind working it very nicely. Shortcut, but it's good. At least you have participated and you have presented the nutritional values with the things. That's very good. Now I will take up Radhe, spotlighted.
Yes, sir. Sir, are you able to see?
Yeah, I am able to see. We all are able to see.
Good morning, everybody. This is Radhe. So, sir, I have made a sandwich. So, the ingredients I have used is the orange color is the carrot, which I have just grated it and kept, and then the white color is used with is made with the cheese, and then the green layer is made with the capsicum and chili ka chutney with lemon and coriander leaves, and just the Ashoka Chakra. I was not having any blue fruits or something, so I just put a fruit. So yes, sir. It's done. And
Okay.
so sandwich is a very light dish, so we can eat.
You're on mute. You went on mute suddenly.
Yes, sir. It's done.
Yeah, acha, it's done. Okay. So how much time you took to make this?
Sir, almost 1 hour or 45 minutes.
Okay. Someone
1
helped
45
you?
minutes. Yes, sir. So my mom helped me for making this.
Okay. Very wonderful. Nice. Very good. Next time spotlighting Samruddhini. Samruddhini, you're spotlighted.
Sir, actually, I couldn't make anything, any food item or anything. So,
Okay. Okay, no problem.
okay.
Okay. Next is I will take Arnav. Yeah, you can begin.
Okay, so wait, I need to change that.
Wow, very wonderful. Very nice.
Beautiful. Sir,
Beautiful,
this is
yes.
the Pavo Christestes, the
Yeah.
Indian peacock and the national bird of India. The
Yeah.
peacock is symbol of grace and beauty. A peacock represents the unity of vivid colors and finds references in Indian culture. The glory of peacock in its unique colors, but today I try to beautify it as our tricolor. I've used different fruits to make this peacock. First band is saffron. Saffron is the strength and courage of our country. I've used orange as it is loaded with vitamin C, which protects your cells from damage. It also helps to heal wounds and makes it easier to absorb iron and fight anemia. Second band is white with blue Ashok Chakra. It indicates peace and truth. I've used banana here as banana contains fiber and potassium. It is an antioxidant and it supports heart health. It also helps to prevent wheezing in children with asthma. Blueberries. It is low in calories but high in nutrients. It is the king of antioxidant and reduces DNA damage, which may help protect against aging and cancer. Third band is green. It shows the growth and auspiciousness of our land. I've used grapes because it contains vitamin K, A, and fat soluble vitamin vital for blood clotting and healthy bones, also high antioxidant. Pear. It promotes gut health, have anti-inflammatory properties, lower risk of diabetes and boost heart health. Happy Independence Day, sir.
Wow, very nice. Very nice. The explanation was also very nice. You have explained the significance of the colors. You have explained the significance of the tricolor, the food, and everything. And it took a lot of time. Of course, it took a lot of time because it included carving and various other things. And it was very nice to see. Wonderful. Very nice. Okay. Very beautiful. People clap for him. Everyone clap for him. Okay. Chalo, now we will take up whom? Previsha, spotlight. Previsha, start your video. Yeah, spotlighted. You can unmute, Previsha. Okay. You can unmute yourself, child. You're on mute. Previsha, you can unmute. Yeah, now we can hear. Yeah, we can hear. You can still begin. You can begin. You can begin, Previsha. What is this? What you have made?
I have made a sandwich which
Huh.
represents India flag,
Okay.
and it has been hosted next to a tree.
Okay. 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 Got it. Got it. What's that green color? Orange color. What you have used? That orange color tree branch. What you have used?
Mustard sauce.
Mustard sauce. Okay.
Green is pudina ki chutney.
Pudina ki chutney. And the red, the bread is white, and over that carrot and capsicum you have used, right?
Yes.
Okay. Very nice. Presentation was very beautiful. Good. Where is this? Laranya is done. Anushka. Spotlight Anushka. Yeah, you can begin.
Hello everyone, I am Anushka Singha and today I have made like many tricolored mini idlis. So the idli batter, it is made up of rice and urad dal, which is like an energy giving food, and urad dal is rich in proteins. The orange idli is made up of turmeric with it, which is high in medicinal values. The green one has palak, which is high in iron, and this flag, which I've tried making, is actually mayonnaise and chutney.
Okay, very wonderful. Good. The flag is also very nicely presented with the idli. Wonderful. Very nice. Good. Next is Arindham on your video. Arindham on your video. Let me spotlight you. Anubhav on your video. Let me spotlight you. Yeah, you can begin.
Sir, actually, I have sent what I made on WhatsApp.
Okay, I will share it on the screen. Shall I share that on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me share it. Yeah.
Sir, so actually, I have made the tricolor flag with dal. The blue color of our flag represents the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. The white color represents our peace, and the green color represents our the behavior of our people. Sir, I made the orange band using masoor dal, the white band using rice, and the green band using moong dal.
Okay. Wow, very wonderful. Something different and something like little change. Okay, you have made the flag, but do you know who is the designer of our Indian flag?
Sir, I remember, but I forgot. I remember the
Okay.
name.
Can anyone tell who is the designer of our Indian flag? किसी को पता है? Who is the designer of our Indian? As an art student, as a visual art student, we should know who had designed Indian national flag.
Sir, Pingali.
Pingale Vyankya. Okay, Pingale Vyankya had designed our Indian national flag. So remember that. As a visual art student, we all should know who had designed it. Shaurya, I'm spotlighting you next. You can begin.
One minute, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Take your time.
Sir, so I have made a tricolor idlis.
Oh, wow, wonderful. In one
Sir, so
idli
the
itself you have
yes,
made.
sir.
Okay, wonderful.
Sir, so the orange layer is the carrot, and the
Okay.
white layer is the normal idli batter.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
the
yeah.
green layer is the coriander with some chili.
Okay. Wow, wonderful. It is not so easy. It's very challenging because that idli batter is very, very like very flowy,
Yes, sir.
and it is not so easy to make that because it should come. It should after steaming also it should come properly. So I can see the efforts which you have taken. Very wonderful. Nice.
Thank you, sir.
Now I will take up Shaurya Bhakshi. Spotlight your video. On your video, let me spotlight you. This one. 1 minute. I have spotlighted you. You can begin. Oh, human figures. You are on mute, child. You're on mute. You're on mute. Unmute yourself.
We can't hear you.
We can't hear you. Okay, no problem. Send the photo to me. I will display the screen. We can't hear you. No one can hear.
Just tell him to remove his headset. Then it might
Acha,
come.
remove your headset then. Try removing your headset.
Take the mic near to your mouth.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Correct. Tell now.
Okay. I'm attending the class on the desktop and it is really difficult for me.
It's fine. Send me the photo. I will display the screen.
I have already.
Okay. Send me on WhatsApp. I will display. Or otherwise, you can also display. I have given the permission to display it for the participants also. You can display the screen. You can share the screen.
This is what I mean.
Okay.
It is
Wow. Human figures.
Wow.
a pizza. I used what do we say? Roti for the base and
Okay.
carrot.
Paneer you have used for the white, right?
Yes, carrot, paneer,
Carrot.
and capsicum with
Okay.
some sauces.
Wow, wonderful. Very nice. Something different to see. Good. Very nice. So I am spotlighting you. You can begin. Unmute and begin.
Yes, sir, I sent my photo on WhatsApp.
Okay, I will display the screen. Let me search. Where is Swayam's account? I have not received your photo, child.
1 minute, sir, then.
Send. Okay, I will give you a chance after. Okay, after once send the photo now. I will give you this chance. Okay, afterwards.
Yes, sir.
Anya, on your video. Anya, let me spotlight you. Anisha, on your video, let me spotlight you.
2 minutes, sir.
Yeah. People be ready. Okay, next I will take whom shall I take? Samrudh Swaranjali. On your video, let me spotlight you.
Prabhuji, sir, I'm still doing this shading and I'm going to finish it. So then I'll show it,
Okay. No problem. Parth, spotlight your video. On your video, let me spotlight you.
Sir, it's on.
Acha, it's on. Okay, let me spotlight. 1 minute. People, if anyone wants to share the screen and explain, they can do that. I have given the permission. Yeah, you can begin.
Can you see it, sir?
Yeah, we can see it. Wow, so tasty.
I don't have much to explain. So this is actually a cake, which of course my mother made. She did most of the things. Like I did the mixing and I did the decoration. But basically we used baking powder and water, then cocoa powder and the chocolate sauce, of course. Then for the decoration part, like on the top, it's all orange gems. Then the white part is actually powdered sugar. And then this is also gem and again gems. And on that, I'm going to put Kit Kat icing, but I didn't put it. Otherwise, the colors will get hidden.
Yeah,
I'll put it
very
afterwards.
nice. Send it for me also.
Oh, okay, sir.
Send one
yes,
piece.
Sir.
Enjoy.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful, very nice. Next is so who is ready? People, who is ready? Who can show next?
Swayam has raised his hand.
Swayam has raised. Swayam, you're ready?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, I will spotlight you. 1 minute. Yeah. Let me share your screen. Yeah. Your photo has reached to me. 1 minute.
Yes,
Begin.
yes, sir. I used a carrot, apple, and moong dal to make my India flag. The apple contains vitamins and minerals. It may lower high cholesterol and blood pressure. It contains fiber, a lot of fiber too. Carrots are a good source of vitamins and minerals, especially biotin, potassium, and vitamin A, K1, and B6. And the moong dal is rich in vitamin A, B, C, and E, and in many minerals, including iron, calcium, and potassium. It is also used to lose weight. Thank you, sir.
Yes, it is also used to lose weight. That is very true. I know I have lost it. So I know. So now let us start. Let us now start with the next one. Very good, Swayam. Wonderful performance. Now we will take up. Who is ready next? And Tanishka, shall I spotlight you? Anisha ready? Anisha, Tanishka. Anyone?
No,
Anyone
sir,
can come.
what I have to do? I just joined.
You don't know today's food fest?
Oh yeah, just wait a minute. 1 minute. I'll just get my food.
What I need to do? Who is ready next? Next, who is ready? Anya is there. Anya is pending. Arindam is pending. Are you all ready?
Sir, just one.
Sachi,
Sir, I'm ready.
ready? Just on your video. Let me spotlight you.
Sir, this is Anya first showing my thing. When I'm putting my webcam on the laptop, it's actually not seen properly.
Oh,
So
you can share. You send me on WhatsApp. I will share.
no, sir, it's fine. I can hold the webcam.
Acha, no. Okay, fine. Then on your video then. Until you on your video, I cannot spotlight you.
Okay, sir, when it's my turn, then I'll switch on my video.
Okay, fine. Sachi, come first then. Sachi, come fast. People, do it fast.
So I have made like
Ha.
I have used carrot, cucumber, and turnip, and I arranged
Okay.
in the tricolor manner.
Okay. Okay. Very nice. Good.
So
So,
can I do now?
yeah, you can start. Tanishka can start. Tanishka, on your video, let me spotlight. Very good. This Sachi.
My this is
Yeah.
tricolor sandwich. So
Okay.
it is has tricolor. It is I've used carrots, then green chutney, mayonnaise, and cucumber. And
Okay.
I ate.
Wonderful.
It was very nice. I was very hungry.
Very good. You have ate and it was very tasty also. Very good.
Yeah.
Now Anisha, it's very nice. Now Anisha, come. Anisha, come first.
Okay, sir. Just a second.
On your video, let me spotlight you. After Anisha, Advita be ready and then Anya be ready.
Okay, sir. I'm sharing the screen.
You're sharing the screen. Okay.